In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Bluetooth speaker to phone on Android phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on really any phone that you have. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, then go over to connections or just find your Bluetooth area. So I'm going to go to Bluetooth right now. And of course, you want to make sure Bluetooth is on. Now, where it says available devices, you want to look for your speaker. However, whichever speaker you have, you basically want to go ahead and put it into pairing mode. Once it's in pairing mode and Bluetooth is on the top right, if you see a scan button, what you want to do is click scan. It's going to scan for any devices that are currently in pairing mode that are ready to connect with. Then, once you find it, go ahead and click on it, and then after a few seconds your speaker is going to be paired. And basically what that means is anytime you're using like any application or you're playing any sound, instead of it coming out of your phone, it's going to come out of that Bluetooth speaker instead, which is of course what you want. Anytime you want to turn it off or disconnect it, you just go over to your Bluetooth speaker, press unpair, or you can just manually press the connect button once it's been connected for the first time. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.